I'm going to show you how to check your voicemail and change your voicemail message in Teams. You can check your voicemail from the Calls tab. Select Voicemail from the list on the left menu of your screen. You can click on a message for more information. This allows you to play the audio of the message, and if the sender is speaking too quickly or too slowly, you can adjust the playback speed. Microsoft will also do its best to provide you with an accurate transcription of the message, but know that this quality depends on how well the sender enunciates and how quickly they speak. From here, we can use the ellipsis icon for some helpful tasks. This includes calling the sender back or adding them to your contacts. To set up your voicemail and record a new greeting, navigate to your picture icon and choose Settings from the drop-down menu. Then select Calls from the left-hand side. Under the Voicemail heading, select Configure Voicemail. Select Record a Greeting, and this will start a call with the voicemail service that allows us to record a new greeting. Listen to the automated voice and use this keypad to navigate the menu. Press 1 to listen to your voicemails, and 2 to set up a new voicemail greeting. To repeat the menu, press 0, and to exit the voicemail dialog, select the End Call button or the star key once satisfied. That's how you check your voicemail and change your greeting in Microsoft Teams.